tired of traffic jams, high fuel bills, or public transport? Or maybe you just need to get out for some fresh air. Discover the benefits of two wheels, like freedom of movement, easy parking, and super low fuel consumption and running costs. Big Boy offers a wide range of scooters and motorcycles at highly affordable prices, all with a 3-year warranty and nationwide backup from over 100 dealers. Join the two-wheel revolution today. Visit our website or your nearest dealer for a closer look at the refreshing and fun-to-ride Big Boy range. Big Boy, simply more ride for your rand. Imported and distributed by SA Motorcycles.